Hey guys, welcome to another chart analysis update for Bitcoin and Ethereum on this channel. My name is Daniel, and as always we're starting on Ethereum for our time frame, and as you can see we're still tangling around sideways in our trend reversal area towards the downside. And obviously I know myself that I'm saying pretty much the same thing every single day since weeks, but in my opinion you should be thankful that I'm not changing my opinion every single day. Otherwise you would have gone long here, short here, long here, short here, long here, and we would have lost money every single time. So I see it as a very positive thing that I'm sticking to the exact same scenario since several weeks and months and not changing any single thing. And so far everything I said did become true, didn't it? So obviously I'm gonna stick further to my opinion that this is a 5-wave impulse towards the downside, and as long as we're not going above the 2060 US dollars, I see it in that way, and it's very likely that we get another low in the region between 910 and 1270 US dollars in form of this 5th wave to complete finally the downwards movement and get a trend reversal to the upside from there. You know, as long as we didn't unfold this downwards movement in a 5-wave impulse, I really see no, real fitting option to consider this as a complete downwards movement. So this is really a necessary low that we need to establish in order to get a nice reversal towards the upside for good. So let's also switch over to the Bitcoin chart, but it's pretty much the same thing here. Also there I didn't change my view on the chart for weeks. I'm mentioning this exact scenario already since I started recording the English trading marathon a couple of weeks or months ago. So that's what I keep sticking with, and I'm pretty much believing or betting on the scenario that this is gonna play out like that. I have an open short position with a take profit at 56,000 US dollars and a stop loss at 67,300 or 400 US dollars above the previous wave 4 highs, since an Elliottwave guideline is that the second wave 4 is not supposed to go above the first wave 4, since we are having two separate 1-2 setups that were two separate wave 4s. For Ethereum it was only one larger 1-2 setup and one larger wave 4, but for Bitcoin it is in this way. So also for Bitcoin I'm expecting a crash towards the downside, as I've been telling you for the last weeks and months. And as soon as we are getting it here, I will obviously open some long positions in that region down below, in between 40,200 and 49,700 US dollars. As long as we don't hit this region, I don't touch anything for my trade. I hope you like this update, guys. If that's the case, don't forget to leave a subscription down below this video, activate the small little bell, and we see each other in tomorrow's video. Until then, stay hard. Ciao, ciao.